So we have taken those things, that is in terms of the Power Query editor. So in the Power Query editor we are taking the branch data. So we have seen, so this is the branches which are availability, and these are your data in terms of targets what are being done, which has been shown here. Okay. So what are the daily targets that we have, and these are your sales which is being shown. Totally it is having 8 columns and 9,999. Okay, 999 plus of columns rows are there, it is being showing. So what is intention, and these are been having 8 columns, so what it is being showing here, and these are your sales target, only 2 columns and 16 rows are available. So if you want to do, these are your R files or programming files. So this is your Power Query editor. So what we are doing here is that, for example, if you want to do any changes here, you can click here. Okay, you want to show in terms of anything, any limited version or anything, you can click here. So if you want to do any changes, you can right click on the corner of that. So you can do the changes if ever you have any removing of errors, or if you want to do any changes, you can do that. Okay. So if you want to remove other columns, or you want to do duplicate any columns that you require, you can do. For example, you are having the quantity. Okay, how much quantity is been done, how much is the price of that, so that is being shown here. Okay, so if you want to have any information other than that, okay, whatever the things, so it is showing in terms of date and time. So it is having in terms of date and the time, what are the things it is being shown. Right, the time is being shown, you are having the date of here, and it is also having the distant time. So for example, you want to have a different thing, that is a date, only date you require, click on here. If you want in terms of only time, you click on here option. So otherwise you can go for having this in terms of merge or unmerge also, that is also possible here. Okay, merge the queries or merge the queries as new, you can click on this and it will identify. So what are the things you want to merge, if you ask them to merge, it will merge. Okay, that is the thing, it will click on the option of your sales, or if you want in the sales itself, what are the things you want to merge, you can merge them in the concerned, that is sales target, or wherever you want to merge, you can merge. That is nothing but you can bring them from there to here. So that is the thing, if you want to split the columns, you can split the columns. Okay, select the column here. So this is the selected column, you want to split the column. Okay, split the column in terms of two ways. Okay, however, digit to non-digit, or by delimiter, if you click that, it will try to have that. So how you want to customize, so split the column, just split your column by delimiter. So that is the thing. So what are the things you want to do, you can do them by splitting the columns, or you want to have by any different things, you can do that, that we are going to see. Okay, so this is your Power Query editor, where we are been having the queries of this on the left side, which is make you to say, and on the right side you are having this information which we are showing to you. So this is being shown from your column quality and the column distribution and the show white spaces. So what are the things you have that has been shown here, and if you want to have any changes to be applied, then you can apply them. That is, you can go here and you can ask close and apply. So if you ask that, it will